Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what you have: wired or wireless Xbox headset, and the model so you know firmware needs. Grab the controller and make sure the headset battery is at least 20%. Low power masks issues. Once done, inspect the 3.5mm plug or USB dongle and the controller port for lint or corrosion because physical faults are common. Restart the console and check controller updates. Make sure wireless is enabled. This avoids wasting time on software when it's a hardware problem. Now you focus on pairing and configuration because most issues live in this middle step. Open the Xbox Accessories app to update both controller and headset firmware. Updates resolve compatibility bugs, follow prompts, and wait. For wireless sets, press the console sync, then the headset or dongle button to pair. For wired, swap controllers to isolate the controller jack. Once connected, go to audio settings. Set output to headset, adjust volume, chat mixer balance, and verify voice privacy permissions so chat audio finish by validating real-world use. Join a party and a game to test both game audio and chat. Make sure the mic isn't muted on the headset or in settings. Speak and ask someone to confirm they hear you. If issues persist, reset the controller by removing power or using the reset sequence, and perform the headset factory reset as the manual describes. If that fails, try a different headset to isolate the console. As a last resort, consider a full console factory reset, only after backups are made.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.